This is relaxing sounds, but it changes every time you watch it. Now, I have done this before, and you guys loved it, and I haven't done it a while since, so let's do it again. We're gonna start off. Okay. If right now you are sitting down, look at Ozzy the octopus, and if you're doing anything else like lying down or standing, look at Wally the whale. And bam. Next up, if you are born in January, February, March, April, May, or June, pay attention to the mist sprayer. But if you're born on July, August, September, October, November, or December, focus on the popping. Ready? Focus on your sound. Cool beans. You're gonna pick a number 1 through 17, and if your favorite color is in the rainbow, like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, then you are going to want to pick the stick that I pull. But if your favorite color is not in the rainbow, like teal, cyan, lavender, anything like that, then you don't want to pick it. Got it? Pick your number. 10. Pick another. 17. And one more. Pick a number. 15. Okay. Next up, if your favorite number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10, I want you to focus at the top right here. But if your favorite number is anything other than that, I want you to look at the bottom. Okay. Focus on either the top or the bottom. Okay. 2 more. If right now you're watching this on an iPad or an iPhone, I want you to just listen to the sound. I want you to close your eyes and just listen to the sound, okay? But if you're watching on anything other than that, like TV, a fridge, a toaster, then I want you to open your eyes and look at these little guys. Alright, and got it. Now this one is a little bit optional. If right now you are not subscribed, you will get to listen to this sound, this next one. But if you are not but if you are subscribed, thank you so much. And you can just click off right now. But if you want, you can also listen to it. Also, don't subscribe unless you want to. Okay, here we go. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you in the next video. Goodbye. With my cutting edge tech. Grapes. Ozzy the octopus. Where's his eye? I am so sorry. Ozzy, no. Why does this happen? Ozzy, I'm sorry. I might have to completely mess up my bed. Shoot. If do 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 do